We saw kids cry because that was their last time. Parents crying because they don't have a younger brother, and that was the last time that they were going to see their sons play baseball in a team sport type of atmosphere. We get to continue to do that, and that's huge. That's big time. Our future, we get to continue to play baseball.
Yeah. And they get an education. It's awesome.
Grand scale. Here's the future. 4 more years or 5 of baseball, maybe more. A college diploma and a good paying job. Almost feels like our job's done. On the grand scale,
Yeah.
check.
Yeah.
Complete.